Hello and good day everyone, we are from Group 6 and we present our new product named Special Day Insurance. 1,000 thank you for this opportunity being able to present our new product. Hello, my name is Kaironisa, matrix number 300265. Today I want to introduce Special Day Insurance, a unique product designed to protect couples on one of the most important days, which is their wedding days. This product is inspired by Zurich's wedding insurance and has been carefully adapted to suit Malaysia's vibrant wedding culture. Here in Malaysia, weddings are more than just ceremonies. They are grand celebrations full of tradition, involving extended families, cultural attire, and often unique venues. Special Day Insurance provides comprehensive coverage to safeguard against unexpected disruption, whether it's a cancellation, a postponement due to illness or extreme weather, or vendor-related problem like last-minute cancellation. This policy ensures couples don't face financial losses. We also customize this product to cater to Malaysian needs. For example, it covers extended family gathering, cultural ceremony, and even elaborate venue arrangement. This tailored benefit make it a perfect fit for local customers. The key goal is to give couples the peace of mind they deserve. With this insurance, they can focus on celebrating their big day without worrying about unexpected problems ruining their plan. Lastly, this is market-first solution for Malaysia, addressing the growing demand for risk management in large events. Wedding involves significant investment, and this product help protect that investment while ensuring everything runs smoothly. With Special Day Insurance, couples can confidently plan their wedding knowing they are financially protected no matter what happens. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nadia Batrisha binti Rashid and my matrix number is 30664. I will be presenting my part which is the problems that we face when developing our new product named Special Day Wedding Insurance. So let me start with the first problems, which is identifying the risk and cost. So the first one is weddings are very different. Some weddings are simple and small, while others are big and luxurious. A small backyard wedding might not need as much insurance coverage, but a fancy wedding at a high-end venue could need more. Risks vary too. For example, an outdoor wedding is more likely to be affected by bad weather than an indoor one. A wedding in a remote area might have a higher risk of a vendor, such as photographer or catering, cancelling due to travel issues. So second is different types of risks. Wedding can be disrupted in many ways. For instance, the venue might have to close, the vendor might cancel, a close family member could fall sick, or bad weather might ruin an outdoor event. So each of these situations would require the insurance to pay out money to cover the cost or damages. So the bank need to think about the likelihood of each of these situations happening to set a fair price. So the third one is balancing risks and profits. If the bank charge too little, they might not make enough money to cover the payouts they would need to make when things go wrong. But if they charge too much, couple might not want to buy the insurance because it feels too expensive. So the goal is to find a price that is both attractive to customer and profitable for the banks. So to do this, they need a good understanding of how often wedding problems occur and how much these problems typically cost. So the second problems that we face during developing this product is educating people on wedding insurance and making them want it. So the first one is lack of awareness. So many people don't know what wedding insurance is and how it can help them actually. So second is perceived as an unnecessary. So couple often see wedding insurance as an extra cost they can avoid, especially when the wedding are already expensive. So the third one is focus on planning, not problems. So most of the couples, they make these mistakes. So where they are excited about planning their wedding and don't think about potential risks like cancellations, bad weather, or illness that could be happen on the day. So the fourth is highlighting value. So the bank must show that wedding insurance can save money and reduce stress actually, and make it worth the cost. So lastly is communication is key. Without clear and easy to understand information, people are likely to consider buying wedding insurance because they think they already spent too much on their wedding expenses, so they think wedding insurance is useless. So the bank job is to convince the customer, to convince the couples about the wedding insurance, actually how it works actually on their special day. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Irina and my metric number is 300616. One of the problem statements is high customization needs and coverage. Weddings can be large and small, simple or complex, inexpensive or costly. For instance, a tiny town wedding can be much more different from a large wedding where hundreds of guests are invited. Risk factors include weather conditions, suppliers' reliability, potential venue, and even political climate for a destination wedding. The diversity hinders synchronized formulation of policies that will directly solve different and complex problems, since such policies may not exist or cannot accommodate all the variations. Lastly, managing global events and unforeseen circumstances. The unpredictable emergent situation, including outbreaks of viruses, storms, hurricanes, or any other civil unrest all around the world, also presents significant difficulties for the companies offering wedding insurance. For example, the COVID-19 pandemic caused mass wedding cancellation across the globe. Insurance companies were under pressure and ran after money. The trends of global risks are rather unpredictable, and thus, ensuring coverage against them can be costly.
Thank you, Irina. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Nurhaiza binti Ahmed and my magic number is 300521. Okay, let me explain my part. To introduce special day insurance in Malaysia, there are 8 stages of developing. The first stage is market research and feasibility analysis. In this stage, the goal is to assess whether special day insurance would resonate with the couples, understand their unique needs, and ensure compliance with local laws. In this stage, bank conducts survey with the couples and even planners in Malaysia. Banks need to find out how many people would consider insuring their weddings and the main risk they worried about. Bank also needs to study the prevalence of wedding insurance in comparable Southeast Asian markets. The second stage are defining the product scope and coverage options, which with insight from the market research base. Also, define the core coverage areas and add-ons based on the unique needs of Malaysian consumers. Okay, in this stage, bank design basic policy to cover common risks such as cancellations. Second, offer add-ons specific to local needs. And third, bank need to define exclusion clearly. Next, risk assessment and pricing strategies. This stage focus on assessing potential risks and establishing a fair structure that reflects local factors. First, banks collaborate with actuarial experts to assess risk variables such as outdoor weddings. Besides, banks provide a tier-based pricing structure. For instance, a wedding luxury venue might have a premium price. The fourth stages are product design and policy development, which involves creating clear policy documentation and an accessible platform for customers in Malaysia. Banks create clear and user-friendly policies documentation with simplified claim process. And banks also ensure the platform available in multiple languages to make it easier for clients. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aniskarida Bidun Hilmi. Metric number is 300313. Now, I will continue with the next product development stage. The fifth stage is testing and customer feedback, which is in this stage, it involves testing the product and making adjustments based on the feedback to ensure it meets the customer need and perform as expected. Bank ran a limited pilot by partnering with the popular wedding venue chain. For instance, it offers special BWBBK insurance to customer booking this venue, gathering their feedback on pricing, coverage and the claim process. Bank also can use insight from the pilot to refine offerings such as increasing coverage for photography issue if customer highlight it as a top concerns. The sixth stage are marketing and distribution strategy, where the target market and distribution strategy ensure that a couple are aware of the benefit of special DW insurance. Banks create an awareness campaign on the social media, targeting engaged couple and run ads on the platform like Facebook and Instagram with image of wedding scenes. Bank partnership with the wedding planners and popular venue across the Malaysia to introduce the insurance as a bundle add-on. Bank also develop educational content explaining the importance of a special DW insurance in protecting against unforeseen expenses such as a cattle backing out at the last minute. The seventh stage are launch and scaling, which in this stage, it involves launching the special DW insurance in the Malaysian market, starting with the target area and ensuring that the infrastructure is in the place to handle the demand. Bank launched in the major cities with the high wedding values such as Kuala Lumpur, Penang and Johor Bahru before expanding it nationwide. Bank also offer the promotion through the top tier wedding venue to attract the high-end client initially. Bank provide the dedicated customer support for couple, answering questions and helping them to file the claim during the early stage to ensure a smooth launch and strong reputations. The last stage are evaluation and continuous improvement, where after launch the product, the focus is shift to monitoring performance and make continuous improvement based on the real data and feedback. Banks collect the data on common claim type to refine the future offerings. If analysis reveal that the most claim come from the weather issue, consider adjusting premiums or including more vendor-specific coverage options. Additionally, bank continuously monitor customer feedback to adjust communication strategy, making information clearer and respond to the emerging trend like the popularity of destination wedding or lifting ceremonies. That's all for my part. Our next group members will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nisrina Nabiha binti Nur Azhar with metric number 29736D. Now, I want to tell about some benefits of our product. Special DW is a new solution for the Malaysian wedding market, addressing the lack of financial protection for high investment, culturally significant events. Tailored to Malaysia's wedding traditions, it covers key risks like vendor reliability and weather-related cancellations, especially during the rainy seasons. Through market research, the bank identified the specific concerns of couples such as last-minute venue cancellations or complex multi-day weddings. Our product offers customizable coverage options including protection against venue cancellations due to fire or flooding with add-ons for extra protection. The development of special DW insurance involves a multi-stage process to ensure it meets the diverse needs of engaged couples. We continue with risk assessment and pricing strategy, working with actuarial experts to create a tiered pricing model for different wedding scales, offering both basic and premium package. It then prioritizes accessibility with a digital claims process and multilingual documentation in Malay, English, and Chinese. In the pilot phase, feedback from wedding venues and customers help refine the product before its full launch. Marketing effort focused on social media and partnerships with wedding planners to highlight the importance of insurance in managing wedding-related risks. Finally, our product undergoes continuous improvement using data from claims and customer feedback to adapt to emerging trends like destination weddings. This approach positions the bank as a pioneer in wedding insurance, fostering customer trust and loyalty through tailored offerings and responsive service.
Alright, thank you Ms. Nisrina. Before we start, I want to state my gratefulness for this such wonderful chances to be able to be in the part of our teams in presenting our new company's product. I am Nur Umairah binti Yusof with metric number 298514, and I will explain about the other two SWOT components, which are weaknesses and threats that become challenges to our company. I will start with the challenges within the organization. The first one is less knowledge among agents about new product. Launching a new product requires our agents to get to know all the new information. Agents are the one who goes out and meet with consumers, right? So, it is essential to brace themselves with all added value about this new insurance product. As we want to avoid any misleading information, a company needs to make sure that all the agents are well prepared through all the training, workshop and programs. Agents represent the company, so they must have the integrity when selling the policy. Next, our company faced consumer resistance as the negative rumors spreads in social media. Platforms like TikTok, Facebook and Instagram become a place where consumers convey any dissatisfaction and share fake news about insurance. There is nothing new, right? Such as what they get is not equivalent with what they have promised. This action will impact our new product growth as well as reduce the confidence of potential consumers. Apart from that, there are two external risks which are economic fluctuation and rules and regulation. Up and down in economic condition make special day insurance difficult to expand in the market. For example, during inflation, people will focus on important needs like foods, utilities, and medical expenses. In this condition, consumer will become sensitive to the price of our new product and might not interested in buying it. People who get married might prioritize only on the basic things to decrease the cost involved. The last challenges is rule and regulation. Through all the process in introducing this new product, we have to make sure it is comply with Insurance Act 1999 and Insurance Regulation 1999. Strict requirement cause longer time needed in bringing special day into insurance market. Company needs to ensure all the agents follow ethical policy by not giving any unclear or manipulated information, promising unexisting return, and etc. I think that will be the end of my part. My teammate will continue this presentation. Thank you.
Hi and greetings to everyone. Before I begin explaining my part, let me introduce myself first. My name is Sarah Nobelkis binti Muhammad Ridwan Pang and my metric number is 297449. Now, I will continue with the presentation by summarizing the key points that have been explained in detail by my group members. In conclusion, imagine you have planned every detail of your dream wedding. The venue is booked, the dress is perfect, and everything is set for a beautiful celebration. But then, an unexpected disruption, a vendor cancellation, bad weather, or even an illness threatens to derail everything. This is where wedding insurance steps in. The introduction of special DW insurance in Malaysia offers a vital solution to protect couples from such risks and provide them with peace of mind. As weddings become increasingly expensive, the cost of organizing these events is rising, and every decision, from the venue to the catering, requires careful planning. For couples, this adds significant stress. The special DW insurance helps mitigate the financial risks associated with wedding disruptions, offering couples the security they need to focus on celebrating their love, not on the what-ifs that could threaten their big day. The primary goal of this innovation is to provide financial protection in case of unexpected events, helping couples manage the financial uncertainties that come with wedding planning. Whether it's an emergency or a natural disaster, this insurance product ensures that couples won't face significant financial setbacks if something goes wrong. Developing this product has been a thorough process. From market research and feasibility studies to careful product design, Special DW has been tailored specifically for the Malaysian market. We considered the diversity of wedding traditions, seasonal weather patterns, and the wide range of wedding sizes, whether it's an intimate gathering or a large-scale celebration. This customization ensures the product meets the specific needs of Malaysian couples, making it relevant and valuable. However, as with any new product, there are challenges ahead. First, market awareness needs to be built. Many couples may not even be aware that wedding insurance exists, let alone its benefits. Regulatory challenges must also be addressed to ensure the product complies with local laws. Overcoming these hurdles will require effective marketing, community outreach, and strategic partnerships with key stakeholders, including wedding planners, venues, and other industry professionals. Despite these challenges, the potential for success is clear. Special DW Insurance is designed to be a reliable backup plan for engaged couples, offering financial protection and allowing them to enjoy their wedding day with confidence. This product empowers couples to focus on their celebration rather than worrying about what could go wrong. Looking ahead, as the wedding industry in Malaysia continues to grow, Special DW Insurance has the potential to become a trusted and widely adopted product. With the right marketing strategies and effective partnerships, it could become a staple in wedding planning, offering both practical protection and peace of mind. Beyond just being a financial product, Special DW Insurance can symbolize care, commitment, and security for couples as they begin their new journey together. It shows that financial institutions care about the most important moments in their customers' lives and are offering a product that ensures these moments are protected. In closing, with strong industry collaboration and effective outreach, Special DW Insurance has the potential to not only become a widely trusted product, but also to transform the wedding planning experience for couples. It's more than just financial protection. It's a thoughtful gesture of care and commitment, helping couples celebrate with peace of mind. That concludes our presentation. We appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we hope you find it valuable. Thank you.